Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Skinny TV, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan, and this is just an update from my last vlog of moving out of my apartment into a house. This is now me in that space, and just giving you guys an update of how I organized and decorated the place. Okay, so this house has 3 levels. I live on the bottom floor. So as you walk in, this is like the living room area. These are all my Polaroid pictures. I do have more, but that's back door leads to the backyard. This is the kitchen area and the living room with my TV and couch and ottoman. Over here is where I keep all my teas and like extra dry food. So that's like my dry food pantry. I have my water dispenser, and this is the kitchen area. So this is how I currently have the living room. I'm not 100% like done with this area. Honestly, I'm not even really sure what else I want to put or if I want to remove anything. This little area is my content creation area. So I use that wall to create content. Now, as you come down this hallway, to the left is the bathroom. I didn't really do much like decorating or like putting things together in the bathroom. It's just, I got that shelving unit from IKEA, put it together. It comes with a washer and dryer. It's a tub. It's just a regular standard bathroom, nothing fancy. Now in this area, this closet is like all my extras. So like first aid kit, batteries, extra soap, shampoo, cleaning materials, you name it. Extra towels, extra whatever is there. Okay, and now for my bedroom. So I am still trying to determine and figure out how I really want to like organize or like decorate in here. I'm not 100% sure. Like when I moved in, I just had them place things. So, and then I'll figure it out later. So I do have a projector, so that's what's on the bookshelf. And I use that as my TV. I have a Roku plug-in. And then this is the couch, as you can see. So there's still a lot of space within the room. I have 2 dressers. And then behind the door now is where I put like, if I have to go to work through the week, then I'll put my clothes that I'm gonna wear on that rack. And this is my closet. It's a mess. I have to organize it. I do color coordinate my clothes, but as you can see, like it's a mess in there. And then on this bookshelf, it's like perfumes and my makeup and hair stuff. So I keep it there. So that is it for my vlog. I hope you guys like my place. If you have any suggestions or ideas on how I should decorate or things that I can add to maximize my space, just let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.